Hello guys! Welcome back to Denson channel. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please tap the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my future uploads. Good day guys! Please join us as we explore this luxurious cruise ship. This ship is named Main Schiff 6 and it is owned by TUI Cruises. Main Schiff 6 is similar to Main Schiff 3, Main Schiff 4, and Main Schiff 5. It has only minor difference to its sister vessels. Its port of registry is in Valletta in Malta. It was ordered in August 26, 2014. It was built by Meyer Turku Shipyard in Turku, Finland. It was laid down in August 21, 2015 and launched in January 3, 2017. It was christened June 1, 2017 and completed on May 8, 2017. It was acquired on May 9, 2017 and its maiden voyage was on June 3, 2017. Became in service in May 12, also in 2017. Its gross tonnage is 98,811. Its length is 295.26 meters, beam of 42.39 meters, draft of 8.25 meters. It has a total installed power of 48 megawatt, composed of two numbers of 9.6 megawatt Wärtsilä and also two numbers of 14.4 megawatt Wärtsilä. Its propulsion is diesel electric with two shafts and fixed pitch propellers. It has three bow thrusters and two stem thrusters. Its capacity is 2,534 passengers with a crew of more or less 1,000. Its home ports are in Trieste, Italy, in Dubai, in Kiel, Germany, in La Romagna, Dominicana, and in Montego Bay in Jamaica. Its building cost is around $620 million. Speed is 22 knots. Its passenger to space ratio is 40. It has 15 decks, 1,267 cabins, 9 decks with cabins. The performance venues aboard the Main Schiff series are unprecedented on high seas. The main theater, designed in a contemporary, clean aesthetic, and seats approximately 1,000 guests. The pool decks were planned to provide guests with a variety of social and well-being experiences. These include another first at sea, the 25-meter sports pool with lap lanes, and the pool deck stage programmed for day and night entertainment. In addition to the decor changes in the studio, the venue has been reconfigured to include another first at sea, a 3D hologram projection system that amazes audiences for entertainment, education, or corporate functions. A 21st century twist on a Victorian theater illusion. The technique allows interaction between real actors on stage and lifelike holograms of pre-recorded content. The colorful nightclub ambience has been extended to the pool decks as well, where the party atmosphere of the pool stage with its formidable sound system has been augmented by the addition of infrastructure for a nighttime entertainment spectacle. Canopies, screens, and theatrical equipment have been added for a mega show involving lights, sounds, and video. The sports count on main Schiff 6 has been redesigned to provide a visual connection to the aerobic studio. Smaller, more sculpted, stadium seating, and a lounge-like overlook for spectators. The court surface and wall graphics hint of old-world gyms, and the soaring new shade structures envelop the space, attracting active participants and spectators alike. Thank you for watching. Please click like and leave your comments below. If you are not yet subscribed, please do not forget to tap the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my future uploads. See you on my next video.